Hi guys, I'm Whitney from Sugar and Sparrow, and today I'm showing you how to level and torte your cakes two different ways. If you've ever wondered how to get your cake layers to be perfectly even and level, especially if they come out of the oven with a domed top, here is how it's done. Method 1 is use a cake leveler. This is my preferred way to torte cakes. This cake leveler is from Wilton and I'll link it below, but I've actually been using this tool for over 10 years. I basically set the layer on a cardboard circle, then hold the cake leveler next to the cake layer and see where I need to set the wire. Then I adjust the wire to whatever height I need and use a gentle sawing motion to cut the top off of the cake. See how easy it is to remove the top? The best thing about using an actual cake leveler is that you don't have to guess whether or not the layer is perfectly level. If you don't have a cake leveler, it's perfectly fine to go with method 2, using a serrated knife. This method is a lot more freeform, but it does the job. It's important that you use a knife with a serrated edge because it's best for cutting through cakes and other bread-like things without tearing them. I like to go around the cake and score where to cut. You can certainly get out a ruler and be exact with this part, but to demonstrate I'm just eyeballing it. Once you know where to cut, use a gentle sawing motion to cut through the cake and make sure you keep the knife as parallel to the table or countertop as possible. Then remove the cake top. You can keep on trimming the top just to make sure things are nice and level. Repeat the process for all of your cake layers and you'll have perfectly level cakes for filling and frosting. Cutting off those domed tops is one of the secrets to having a flawless cake finish and an easier cake making session all around. If you want to follow along with this Cake Basics series and all of the other fun cake videos I release, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a new one. You can also head to my blog at sugarandsparrow.com for all of my favorite recipes, baking tips, cake decorating tutorials, and so much more. Thanks for watching!